Think you need a big budget to fly a 4K drone? Think again. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best drones under $200. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you're a beginner, weekend traveler, or just getting into aerial photography, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right drone without overspending. I'll cover camera performance, flight time, stability, safety features, and overall value. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. UHD Drone Camera. This affordable 4K drone includes a 3-axis gimbal, which is rare in the under $200 category. It offers up to 1,640 feet transmission range, auto return home, and follow me mode. It supports both app and remote control operation, making it flexible for beginners. Review highlights: the 3-axis gimbal provides noticeably smoother footage compared to basic EIS-only drones. It's a strong option for users who prioritize video stability at a lower price point. Pros: 4K UHD camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, auto return home, 1,640 feet long-range transmission, beginner-friendly controls. Number 4. GPS Drone EIS Camera. This foldable drone features a 4K EIS camera and a controller with a built-in 4.5-inch HD display, eliminating the need for a smartphone. With 2 batteries included, it offers up to 45 minutes of total flight time. Review highlights: the built-in screen makes flying simple and convenient. EIS helps reduce minor shakes, and GPS safety features make it suitable for beginners and even older kids under supervision. Pros: 4K camera with EIS stabilization, 4.5-inch built-in display, auto return and follow me, 45-minute total flight time, under 249-gram lightweight design. Number 3. GPS Drone HD Screen. This beginner-friendly drone also includes a 4.5-inch HD screen on the remote controller, plus 2 batteries for extended flying sessions. It supports GPS auto return, follow me mode, and stable FPV transmission. Review highlights: this model focuses on convenience and ease of use. The integrated display simplifies setup, and GPS stabilization helps maintain steady flight even in mild wind conditions. Pros: 4K HD camera, built-in 4.5-inch screen, GPS auto return, 2 batteries included, lightweight under 250 gram. Number 2. Foldable GPS Drone. This foldable 4K drone features brushless motors, which improve durability, efficiency, and flight stability. It offers up to 46 minutes of total flight time and includes follow me, tap fly, circle fly, and auto return features. Review highlights: the brushless motor system gives it better performance and longer lifespan compared to basic brushed motor drones. It's a strong value option for beginners who want smoother and more reliable flights. Pros: 4K camera resolution, brushless motor system, auto return and smart flight modes, under 249-gram lightweight, 46-minute flight time. And number 1. Holystone HS175G. The Holystone HS175G takes the top spot in the under $200 category. It features a 4K EIS camera, weighs under 249 grams, and provides up to 60 minutes of total flight time with fast-charging batteries. It includes GPS auto return, follow me, and headless mode. Review highlights: Holystone is one of the most recognized brands in the beginner drone market. The HS175G delivers stable GPS positioning, reliable return-to-home functionality, and consistent video performance for its price range. Pros: 4K camera with EIS stabilization, under 249 gram, no registration required in most cases, 60-minute total flight time, reliable GPS auto return. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing flight stability, camera quality, battery life, safety features, and brand reliability, the Holy Stone HS175G stands out as the best overall drone under $200. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.